Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. In this video, we are going to learn how to build an AI agent to auto-analyze Google Sheets market prices. So I am an owner of a wholesale electronics store and I need to compare multiple prices of different products for my customers, and I need to create a post regularly for my team members and my customers on Facebook page. Now to automate this entire task, I have decided that as soon as a new product and the comparing prices are going to be added in my Google Sheets, automatic analysis is going to be generated with the help of my AI agent, that is OpenAI. And for that analysis, automatically a post is going to be shared on my Facebook page. To automate this entire task, I'm not going to use any coding and programming skills. I will be simply connecting all these applications with the help of Pabbly Connect. So for your business, if you also want to learn this amazing automation step by step, for that you have to come towards my screen. Welcome to my screen everyone. In this video, we are going to learn step by step how to build an AI agent to auto-analyze Google Sheets market prices. So I run an online electronics retail and wholesale business and maintain a live Google Sheet that tracks market prices for products like smartphones, laptops, AirPods, much more. Daily, I'm receiving multiple updates related to the current price or the previous price of new products, and I want to share this information with my team as well as my customers in order to engage them, make their decisions and purchase the products. So I'm maintaining a Facebook page as well for my business, and I want that every time the prices should be compared as soon as a row is added in my Google Sheets for any of the category of the product, and a customer-centric analysis summary should be generated with the help of my AI agent, which should be directly posted on my Facebook page. To automate the entire process, I'm going to build a connection between my Google Sheets where I'm maintaining the price record of all the products, my AI agent, that is OpenAI, and my Facebook page. Okay, and how? I'm not going to use any coding and programming skills for that. I will be connecting these applications with the help of Pabbly Connect. So here, before moving forward towards learning how to create this amazing automation step by step, first of all, let me show you that how it is actually going to work. So when I'm going to add a new row in front of you with a new product detail in my Google Sheets, let's say the product name is MacBook Air. Then I'm going to enter the current price over here, previous price, stock, category. Okay, as I've added a new row over here, now I'm going to instantly take you towards my Facebook page. We will refresh the page once. And here you can see that we got the post over here. Exciting deals await you. Great news, tech lovers. While the MacBook Air remains at an unbeatable price of $999, we know it's a popular choice and we only have 25 units left in stock. So you can see how easily market price is being compared, an analysis summary is generated, and it is converted into Facebook post, and here it is shared, okay, along with the tags. So in this way, the automation is actually going to work. Let's start learning this automation for our business step by step. To start with the process, first of all, in a new tab, we need to type pabbly.com/connect in our browser. It is going to take us towards the landing page of Pabbly Connect. Over here, we can find two options, sign in and sign up for free. So in case if you are already an existing user, just click on sign in to log into your account directly. But if you are a new user, you have to click on this sign up for free button. It will help you to create a free new account just in 2 minutes. Also, when you will do that, you're going to receive 100 free tasks every month to explore this amazing software and also to test multiple automations. Now, as an existing user, currently I'm going to click on sign in. This is all app section where we can find all the products that are offered by Pabbly. To create our automation, we are going to use Pabbly Connect. So let's click on access now. It has taken us towards the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. On the dashboard, we can find all the workflows that we have created. Also, in order to save the workflow separately and accordingly in organized format, we can also create separate folders like this on the dashboard. Now to create a new workflow, let's click on this create workflow option. Here a dialog box is appear in front of us, which is asking us to provide a name to this workflow. So first of all, let me provide a name over here. Build an AI agent to auto-analyze Google Sheets market prices. After giving the name to my workflow, now I'm going to select the folder in which I want to save this workflow. So you can see I have a list of folders over here. Among these folders, the automation that I'm going to create currently is related to AI. So I'm going to select AI automations. And now let's click on create. So the workflow is created successfully. We have a new screen over here which contains a blank workflow which we have to fill up to completely set up this automation. We have trigger and action. So trigger and actions are the two main concepts, the principles, or we can say these are the building blocks on which entire automation is actually going to work. So here the trigger says when this happens and the action says do this. That means the action is the response towards our trigger. Whatever we are going to select in our trigger is going to command the entire workflow, and the actions are going to follow that same command. Therefore, we can have only one trigger in any workflow, but we we can add as many action steps as we want. Now let's suppose here I want that every time I'm going to receive a new product that is added in my Google Sheets along with the details such as their current price, their previous price, the stock which we have in the category. So automatically I need to compare the price of the products and generate an analysis to be posted on my Facebook page for my existing and new customers. For that, here I want that I'm going to take Google Sheets and Trigger and OpenAI, through which I'm going to generate this analysis summary in my action step. Further, we are going to take Facebook page in order to post the analysis. Okay, so here as I'm going to take these applications, when I'm going to build the connection between these applications, you will see that action is going to follow what the trigger commands, because when the trigger happens, that means whenever a new row or updated row is going to be added in Google Sheets, then only the summary is going to be generated for the analysis between the comparison of the prices, as well as then only the post is going to be created on Facebook page. Otherwise not. So after understanding the whole concept of trigger and action, let us start creating this automation step by step. To start with the process, first of all, let's go towards our trigger step. And here, because I'm maintaining the record of all the products and the prices in my Google Sheets, I'm going to select Google Sheets as my trigger application. If you are using any other application or any other database, you can also select that. Then we will select the trigger event. That means on the happening of which event inside Google Sheets you want to capture the response. I want that when a new or updated spreadsheet row will be added, then my workflow should start. So here I have selected my trigger application and the event. We have received a webhook URL over here. Also, we have received some instructions. By following the given instructions step by step carefully, we need to insert the webhook URL inside Google Sheets. As we will do that, then the webhook URL is actually going to act as a bridge for transferring the data of every new row that is added in Google Sheets towards Pabbly Connect. So let's simply copy the webhook URL, and then I'm going to show you what you are supposed to do. I will first of all take you towards my Google Sheets, and over here you can see that this is the product I have. Here we have the current price, the previous price, stock, and the category of the product. Now I'm going to go towards extensions, and here we have the option of add-ons. When we will go towards get add-ons, it is going to take us towards Google Workspace Marketplace. Here we need to search for Pabbly Connect webhooks. So this is the add-on which we need to install in Google Sheets to build the connection between Google Sheets and Pabbly Connect successfully. As you can see, I have already installed Pabbly Connect webhook, so I'm going to cross this. If you are installing the add-on for the very first time, you also have to refresh your spreadsheet once. Then only you will be able to see the option of Pabbly Connect webhooks under extensions. As here I can see the option, we have to go towards initial setup now, where we are going to enter two details: webhook URL and the trigger column. So first of all, let's paste the URL that we have received from Pabbly Connect, and the next is the trigger column. So the concept of trigger column says that whenever a new row is going to be added in our spreadsheet up till this column, the entire row is going to be sent towards Pabbly Connect automatically. So you can see, for example, in my spreadsheet, I have columns up till E. I want that whenever a new row is going to be added in my spreadsheet up till this E column, then only the data should be transferred towards Pabbly Connect and not before that. So I have selected E as my trigger column. In a similar manner, you're going to decide your own trigger column from your spreadsheet data. And now I'm going to click on send test to send the test response of the second row towards Pabbly Connect. Let's submit the initial setup. As the test data is sent, the setup is configured. So I'm going to cross the initial setup. We'll go back towards Pabbly Connect, and immediately and automatically the response is captured over here. In our response, we have received multiple details. We have received the trigger column over here that we have decided, the stock we have in the store of the same product. Then we have the spreadsheet name, spreadsheet ID, sheet name, sheet ID, row index, that means the number of row which we have received in the response. Then we have the product name, their prices, and the category. You can see these are the same details as we have in our spreadsheet. Now once we have built the connection between Google Sheets and Pabbly Connect, I here want that every time I'm going to add a new row in my spreadsheet up till my trigger column that I have decided, I should not do anything manually. My data should be keep on sending automatically towards Pabbly Connect. For that, here I'm going to do one more thing. We have to go towards extensions once again. Again, we have to go towards Pabbly Connect webhooks, and here we have the second option of send on event. As we have done that, we have made sure that every time now we are going to add a new row, the data will be keep on sending automatically towards Pabbly Connect. As here we have, you can see send on event is checked. Now I'm going to go back towards Pabbly Connect. We are going to go towards our action step, that what we want to do after we have received the response. I want to generate the summary and comparison analysis of the details that I've received. And that I'm going to do with the help of my AI agent, that is OpenAI. So I'm going to go towards my action step, and in my action application, I'm going to select OpenAI. But if you're using any other AI application as your AI agent, you can also select that. Then we have to select the action event. You can see we have list of events over here. Among these, I'm going to select ChatGPT. I have selected that as well. And now I'm going to build the connection between OpenAI and Pabbly Connect. Let's click on Connect. We have two options over here, add new connection and select existing connection. If you already have an existing connection, you can quickly go with that. To create a new connection, just click on add new connection and provide the token. To get the token, you can just simply go towards this hyperlink. Keep logging to your OpenAI account already so that it is going to redirect you automatically towards API key page of OpenAI. Now you're going to click on this create new secret key button. You can provide a name to your key. So let's say the name of my key is price comparison, just a random name, and then you can also select the project in which you want to save your key. Let's click on this create secret key button. We got the key, so let's copy it, click on done, go back and just paste the key over here like this. When you're going to click on save, your connection between OpenAI and Pabbly Connect will become successful. Currently I already have an existing connection, so I'm going to go with that. After building the connection between OpenAI and Pabbly Connect, now I'm going to move forward and we have to select the model by using which we want to generate our content. We have multiple AI models over here. Among these given models, I'm going to select GPT-4o Mini, and now this is the model by using which I'm going to generate my content. Then the next we have to enter is the prompt. Prompt is the very important and the highlight step of this automation. Here the prompt is the command which we have to provide to our AI agent or to our OpenAI in my case, that what we actually wanted to do for us. Because I want to generate an analysis in the detailed format regarding the market prices that we have of different products for my electronic store, and I need to generate it in the form of a Facebook post so that I can share it on my Facebook page for my customers. So I will have to include all the details that I've received from my Google Sheets, such as the product name, their current or the previous prices, the category they have, and what kind of content I want to generate, what all points should be there in my content. That I have to include over here. So the prompt should be well instructed, on point and clear. Now according to these details, I'm going to enter my prompt as, so here is my prompt. You are a product marketing expert for an online store. Based on the following product data, write a short, engaging Facebook post that highlights any major price drops or increases. Mention product name, old price, new price, products that are low in stock less than 10 units, recommend action, great time to buy, or hurry before it's gone. Keep the tone friendly, promotional and concise within 100 to 150 words. Start with an eye-catching headline with emoji. End with a strong call to action like order now. Add 2-3 relevant hashtags. Write in clear, simple language for the general audience. Here's the product data from our sheet. Product name, old price, new price, and the stock. And also I'm going to add the category. Okay. Now here one by one I'm going to enter the details. First of all, the product name. You can see we have received that in our earlier response already. This is the product name I have. I'm going to quickly insert it like this from the previous step, and it is mapped. When we map our data like this, it becomes dynamic and automatically with every new response it will get replaced. So every time a new row will be added in our Google Sheets related to a new product for which we want to generate the summary and analysis, the details that we are going to map over here will get automatically replaced. Now I'm going to map the previous price. Then we have the new price over here. Then we have the stock units in my store and the category as well. I'm also going to enter. Do not use any extra symbols as I need to directly post the content on Facebook. I've also included an instruction that what I do not want in my content. Now let's click on save and send test request button. We got the response, and here we have the Facebook page. Okay, price drop alert, great news, tech lovers, the iPhone 14 is now available at the amazing price of rupees $799, down from $849. And here we have the entire content and also the tags. Now I'm going to quickly post it on my Facebook page, and this is my Facebook page with the name as Global Electronics, on which I want to create the post. So I'm going to build the connection between Facebook pages and Pabbly Connect. Let's click on our action event, and here I'm going to select create page post. Let's click on connect. We will go with an existing connection only. I'm already logged into my Facebook account, and also this is my page. I'm acting as my page only. So now we have to select the page. As I was already logged in and opened my page, it is selected. Okay. You can select your page from the drop down, and now you have to enter the message you want to share. So this is the message I want to share. If you want to attach any link URL along with this, you can also do that. I'm going to ignore this field currently, and I'm going to click on save and send test request button. Here we got the response along with the ID. So I will now take you towards Facebook page. We will refresh the page once. And here we can see that we got the post. In this way, now the automation is created. So I will be able to maintain the consistency of posting analysis of market prices related to different products and engage my customers while encouraging them to make the decisions of purchasing the products. Okay, so I hope this automation is clear to you. Also, it is helpful for your business. Thank you for watching. Not only this automation, but you can create multiple such amazing automations for your business with the help of Pabbly Connect. Now, if you want to connect us, you can mail us at support@pabbly.com. For any of your queries, you can ask at forum.pabbly.com. And for any of your pricing related issue, you can visit the website given over here. If the video was helpful for you, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.